Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is the second video of the weather app. In the first video we have done the folder section and bottom tabs and navigations. So now I'm going to teach you how to design the bottom tabs and other things. So let's start with the practical. I just run the project and this is our bottom tabs. You can see we have four screens: a home screen, my city screen, and map screen and setting screen. And this is in iOS. It's in this video we are going to add the styling for the bottom tabs and other things. So let me take it there and just put it there. First I'm going to show you what we have done in the last video. So for that, just let me minimize this terminal. So let me close these files. And so this is our src folder. We just create the one folder with the and inside the folder we have assets, component, constant, navigation, redux, screens, styles, and utils. These are our folders, and inside the folder we have just created the font folder, and we haven't done anything. And cons folder we haven't done anything. We just done in the navigation we have screens. So in the navigation first, let me come to the app.js. So this is my app.js. We just import the routes. So let me show you the route. This is my routes. You can see for in the route file we should check the condition. When you call the login API, then you get the token. So if you have a token, so it will show the main stack. If you don't have a token, and that will be show the auth stack. So for that I'm going to take a one variable with the name of is token with the name of is token. And also if I have a token, it means it's true. So let me come here and just apply the check. Like if you have a token, if the token is true, so then you can show the main stack. If the token is false, you can show the auth stack. So like this. And if I change the is token to the false, you can see now automatically it will change to the auth stack like this. This is my main stack, and my main stack, and inside the main stack we have a bottom tabs and detail screen, insert screen. And let me open the bottom tabs for you. So this is the bottom tabs. We have home screen, style screen, home screen, and we have a my city screen and map screen and setting screen. So and also we have another screen also, and we have a auth stack. In auth stack we have only one screens. So this is the recap what we have done in the first video. So now we are going to start the second video. So let me remove these files again. And so first we are going to hide this header. So for that I'm going to the navigation and auth stack. So this is my auth stack, and we have a options, screen option. Inside the screen option we have a header shown. Just false that, so you do not see in the header like this. So now you can see we just follow the header also. And I'm going to the welcome screen. Let me wrap it in the safe area view. So this is my auth screen. So this is my auth screen, you can see. So this is my auth screen. So we just follow the headers. We do not need anything in this stack. So now I'm going to the route, and also I'm just taking the auth stack to the main stack, like just through the condition. So we've seen the bottom tabs, and now I'm going to the main stack first. In the main, so now you can see we have two headers. One is the screen header, you can see, and second one we have the bottom tabs header. So first we are going to hide the screen header. So first we are going to hide the bottom tabs header. So like this, come to the stack navigator and type the screen options and just header show and false it. So if I reload the app, you can see now. So we just hide the headers. So now I'm going to the bottom tabs. This is my bottom tabs. Inside the bottom tabs we have tab navigator, and inside the tab navigator we have also screen show options, screen options. Inside the screen option just type the header show this is, and just false it. So we just false the headers, you can see. And now I'm going to the main stack, so the main screen, and wrap it in the safe area view. It will be visible for you. Save it. So now you can see we have the home screen. So now we are going to design the bottom tabs. So for that I'm going to the bottom tabs. You can see, let me close this and close all the files. We have only bottom tabs, you can see. So this is my bottom tabs. In the bottom tab, so first we are going to change the names. So for the tab bar we have options. Inside the, now we have an option. Inside the option we have a tab bar label, tab bar, tab bar label. So this is my tab bar label. Let me see the styling also. So this is our styling. You can see in the styling, the tab bar styling, we do not have any name of the tab bar. So for that we are going to pass the empty strings. So if I pass the empty string, the text will be automatically hide. You can see. So now I'm going to add the icon also. For the icons, first we are going to download these icons. You can see these are our icons. First we are going to download these icons. For the icons, for that I'm going to the browser, and let me open the flight icon. Inside the flight icon we have a raining and 64, and just download it. And the second one, we just add the 4 icons. So now you can see we just add the 4 icons. You can see these are our 4 icons. You can see, let me open it, and the assets, images, and just come here and paste it in the images and close. So the first one we have a map, and then we have a option list, and let me correct the name, and then we have a water, and let me type rain icon, and we have a settings. So now this, let me close this. So after the adding the icon, now we are going to the constant file. Inside the constant file we have created the image path. Inside the image path, the first one we have a map, and first one is a map, and then require, add the require also, and like this, and just you have a assets. Inside the asset we have a images. Inside the images, just come here and copy the image name, and we have a map. Let me copy full and paste it. So now you can see we just import the images. You can see this is the image, and for this you can use the extension of the show image. Now let me copy this again and paste it. We have 4 images, and the second one option list, just copy the name of the option list, and also change the name of the icon. And icon, we have a rain icon. Let me copy, save it. And the last one we have a setting icon. You can copy and paste it. So we just import the 4 icons. So let me close this, and now I'm going to the, let me hide this. So this is my option screen. So now I'm going to add the icon, tab bar icon. You can see this, we have a tab bar icon. Inside the tab bar we should take a bar icon object, and we have to pass the arrow function, and just import the image from the React Native and source. In the first we have the icon, we have the first icon, we have the raining icon, and just type the raining icon. So now just import the icon, but the icon size is too big. So for that we need to style the icon. Responsive style in a phone, we need to add some responsive style command. So for that I'm going to my styles. So you can see this is my style. I'm adding one file with the name of responsive styles.js, and this is my, so let me copy all the responsive style in here. So this is the responsive style, we just copy and paste it. So we do not worry about these things. We did, this is nothing like we just import the height and width from the dimension get windows, And we have a platform status bar because every screen should have a specific, like iPhone and Android, they have a specific styling. So for that, if you do not want to use this styling, but there's also library, you can use that library. Let me show you. uh, React. Let me show you React native responsive screen. So this is the library you can see, and you can download this library and use it with the same library. So you can download this library also and use it in your project. Like this, you can wrap your all the thing in the HP and WP, and font size also you can do it with the HP. So like this, you can also use this library. So but I'm not using this library because the library also using these commands with. So let's bottom tabs. So the image, which we need to add the styles for the image, and I'm adding in like this image style. So now I'm going to show you how to use that responsive style. Just type the width and import the moderate scale, and we have moderate scale and moderate vertical. And moderate scale you can use for the width, and moderate vertical you can use for the height, but I'm using moderate scale like a 24. And for the height we also need to import it, moderate vertical or moderate scale, just import it 24, and just copy this style and come here, style dot image. So now we can a little bit bigger, 32, and also 32, and we need a little bit margin top also to the icon, margin top, moderate scale, and 12, or we can pass it 20, like 20. Yeah, 20 is enough maybe. So this is our first icon. We just import the first icon, you can see. So 20 is enough maybe. Let me format it, and let's see the icon in the Android also. It's looking good in Android also, you can see. Change the icon of the second screen. So let me come here, just copy the options, full options, and come here and paste it. And we need to import the image, like the second image we need to have what is the option image. We have the option image, and we have a option image, option list, you can see. Yeah, the second image is the option list. And let me come to the map screen also, just come and change the icon with the map, and you can see. And we have the last screen, and just change the icon name with the setting. So now you can see we just change the icon. Let me format all the things. And so now we need to change the color of the bottom tab. So for that, I'm going to the tab navigator screen option. Inside the screen option we have tab bar style. So this is the tab bar style, and we need to assign the, so we need to assign the background color. Let's type the background color red. You can see we just change the background color, but you can see we just add the red color, but we have a like this gray color. So we need to copy this color, so we need to pick this color. So for that, I'm going to the browser and just open my UIs, and this is my UI, and open in the browser, you can see. And I have this color picker. You can also download the Google color picker, and just come here and click it, and just special color and copy. And I'm going to the color file, and this is my color file, and just type the bottom. We have a bottom tabs color. You can edit the color, and here we just want to import, where is the red color, this is the red. And just come here and colors dot bottom tabs color, and we just change the bottom tabs color. you can see. So now I'm going to change the icon color also. Just type the focus inside the tab bar icon and come here to the image, and we need to add the tint color, and this is our tint color. If the icon is focused, we need to change with the red. If the icon is not focused, we need to change with the white. You can now we can see this is the example. This is the simple example. You can see, let me add the, and if I click this, you can see it's so I need to add the color file also. For that, I'm going to copy all the colors also. So let me copy and paste it. So these are my colors. You can see I already defined these color we are using in this app. So these are, so we are going to change the color of the icons. So icon color, just come here, and we need to add the, we need to see the UI first. If the icon is focused, we need to change the color with the white. So for that, I'm going to, let me remove the red color and just type the color dot white. And when the screen is not focused, we need to change it color. Let's see the colors also, which color is good. And I need to add the text gray color maybe. Let me add it. Yeah, it's looking good, but we need to a little bit dark color also. Just come here. Is gray edge, let me see. Yeah, it's now it's looking good, so we're not seeing that much gray eye. Yeah, the gray eye color is fixed. You can see the gray eye color is looking better. Then now working in the companies, the designer will be provide you the icon color, all the things. So now we do not have that much time also. So let me copy this tint color and just come here to the image again, and you are inside the image of the second one, and also import the focus, and we can see, now we can see, and let me add it in the third one also, the map screen, and just focused, and also the last one, and focus, and let me save it. Just add the icons like this, and let me see the UI. So this is our UI, you can see. So in this video, we have done the designing of the bottom tabs. In the next video, we are going to design the UI like this. The first screen, we are going to design the first screen, then we are going to design the second screen also. And we are going to add the fonts and custom wrapper container, all the things. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.